Look at my boyfriend trying to walk the dog while the dog's pulling him. Yeah. It's lit. That's our dog, Two-Face. Family's dog. Say hi, Joey.
What up? That's a good boy.
Hey, this is my old hood. What you want to do about it?
Good boy. That's why a good boy.
You remember the last time you said good boy? He almost yanked your arm off.
Yank. This nigga didn't almost yank my arm off. This nigga flew me.
I guess he's in peace now that he ate.
This way, boy.
Yeah, so I'm just waiting for something funny to happen to Joey to videotape it. Pull him, Two-Face. Pull him, Two-Face. Check. Two-Face. Two-Face. You know what, Joey? You're lucky.
Why?
Today I got the video camera on you. He don't do nothing.
Good boy. Come on. Stay.
Yeah, look at her. Look at the dog.
Come on. Oh, it's okay. Good boy, Two-Face. No.
I'm putting this up on YouTube.
Good boy, Two-Face.
God damn. This weather is crazy.
What?
I said this weather is crazy.
1 minute it's nice, 1 minute it's cold, 1 minute it's fucking nice. I don't get this weather.
Hi. I'm going to Fontainebleau today to check out some boots. I need to buy me a new pair of boots and a new jacket. Can we go when we take him upstairs? Hi! Say hi to the camera.
Good boy.